Welcome to another episode of Quick Bites. Today we're going to be making candied ginger. And because we keep these videos under 90 seconds, I'm going to cut this intro short and let's go down and get to it. Candied ginger is super easy to make. It just requires sugar and water. But before we get to that point, we need to peel the ginger. The easiest way to peel it is actually with a spoon. After it's peeled, slice it into thin coins. Once I bring it to a boil, I turn the heat down to low, and then I just let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Over medium-high heat, I add the sugar to the water, and I stir it until the sugar is dissolved. Then I add the ginger back, bring it to a low simmer, and just let it simmer for about 30 minutes. After that, I turn the heat off and just let it sit for about an hour, letting the syrup soak into the ginger. There are two ways that you can save the ginger. You can strain it through a fine mesh strainer for about an hour, and then after that, toss it with some sugar and keep it in an airtight container. Or you could just simply save it in a jar with its syrup. And this way is actually good for up to about a year. And that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And to receive updates, please subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit.